60% of callers hang up when they're put on hold for a restaurant order. That single number explains why 3 of the world's biggest food chains stopped treating phone and drive-thru orders as a human-only job. McDonald's tested this first, partnering with IBM, after acquiring the voice AI startup Appinventiv, running automated order takers across more than 100 US locations. The system hit close to 85% order accuracy, proof that voice AI could genuinely keep pace with a packed drive-thru lane. Wendy's took it further with Fresh AI, built on Google Cloud, and didn't stop at just taking orders correctly. The system listens for a burger order and naturally suggests fries, a drink, or a Frosty, turning every transaction into an upsell opportunity without sounding pushy. Wendy's plan was to scale this across 500 to 600 locations. Domino's brought the same intelligence into the palm of your hand with Dom, a voice assistant built on nuanced technology inside its mobile app. Say you want a large pepperoni with extra cheese, and Dom places it instantly. No scrolling, no typing. What connects all 3 is the same engineering challenge: teaching AI to understand real speech, in real noise, with real accents, and then route that order accurately into the kitchen without a single human touchpoint. That's exactly the kind of voice ordering infrastructure Appinventiv builds for restaurant brands, from drive-thru automation to in-app voice assistants that integrate cleanly with POS and kitchen systems. If your restaurant is still losing customers to hold music, maybe it's time to give your ordering system a voice.